I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated.
Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for getting all notifications first.
Hi guys, welcome back to channel Cubo. So today is September 1st and today and tomorrow, which is September 2nd, is my 10th birthday. So you see, we were planning to make my 10th birthday really big, like going out of the state, out of the country. But you know, this coronavirus outbreak, it's really irritating. Yeah? So instead of that, I got some new unboxing cubes. So we are gonna unbox them. But before unboxing, safety first. So I'm just gonna apply a bit of sanitizer. Yes, and now let's get started. So first I'm unboxing this one. I don't know which one it is, so let's just yes. It looks really big cube. Oh, it's the 3x3x7 Rubik's Cube. So it's messed up, I know that, but still, it's the 3x3x7 cube. So now, this was my first cube. Let's unbox this one. So then, I'm gonna take this one, scissor again, and then I'm gonna try to wait a second. Yes. Yes. There's one more. Just take it out. Okay, I can get the parcels out first. Oh, cool. I got an extra stand with it, so yes. And then I'll just get this one first. Oh, it's the clock cube. So let me just again dig out this clock cube. Yes. Yes, and oh, cool! Look at this clock cube. It's actually kind of heavy, but oh, cool. So yes, this was my second cube. Now let's go on to the next cube. Looks like I have a bit more. This cube. Oh, it's the 2x2 magic cube. Yes, see, 2x2 magic cube. I mean 2x2 magic cube. Let me just get it out. Cool. Yes, now that was my third one, and I have more 3 cubes. Just imagine how big it is. Now this one I can't actually see it from the outside. Let me just open it, and oh, cool! It is 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's a 4x4 Megamorphix Rubik's Cube. Look at how big it is, guys. Right? Haha. Yes. So 4 cube, and I'm really happy with these. And I just can't believe that I shopped so much just for my birthday. Now I see this one. I think it's Ghost Cube. Let me just open it. Ooh. Yes. It's the blue Ghost Cube. Carbon fiber Ghost Cube. Yes. 4th cube. And the final cube, which I think, I don't know. Let me just open it. Oh, I think it's one of 6x6 or 7x7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cool, it's a 6x6. And you see, I always wanted a cube like this which has curves, right? So if you guys want to see how to solve these kind of cubes, I will be sure to make it. And in the comment box, you can say that you want to solve either of these cubes. Just name it and I'll bring the video for you. So I hope you like this video, and this is I'm really happy with the presents and my cube. So thank you guys for watching my video. Sure to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, like my video and share my video. Thank you.